Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? 1. T plus rack, track. Mine plus D, mine. One track mine. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome to our program. The young lady on my left won a game at the end of yesterday's show. She picked up some cash and a brand new computer. Her name is Amy Ridgren, and we're delighted to see her back with us. Psychology major at UCLA. And when you graduate, where are you going to work? Are you going to work in industry? Are you going to work in education?
Actually, I want to get my MFCC, my Marriage, Family, Child Counseling, and work with divorced families.
Got a lot of them here in Southern California, unfortunately.
I'll have a job for life.
You bet you will. Now, let's meet your opponent, a newcomer to our program. Let's welcome Bob Cronley.
Hi, Alex.
Hiya, Bob. Worker? Student?
I'm a worker right now. I just graduated from Cal State Fullerton. I'm looking forward to going to law school.
Going to law school. Oh, boy, you've got a tough road ahead of you. So you'd like to have some fun today?
I would really like to have some fun
Well,
today,
this
Alex.
looks like fun to me.
See fashions of California, sensational bikinis and mayos in a wonderful assortment of fabrics and colors, swimsuits that make you look and feel terrific. Furnished by See Fashions of California. Alex.
I agree with you, Gene. They do make you feel terrific, even when you're not wearing them. If you're just looking at somebody else wearing them, they make you feel pretty good. Amy and Bob, take a look, and we'll show you where you can find the swimwear at number 23. A holiday in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, in this game. And Bob, you go first.
All right, let's try number 2.
Number 2 is a gold bracelet.
Okay, let's try number 19.
His and her backpacks, no match. Amy?
Okay, I'd love to go to Calgary so I can see a Flames game. So let's look for number 6.
Espresso and cappuccino
That's not
machine.
bad. Students always love their coffee. Let's try number 10.
Keeps you hyper.
Yeah.
Green take, no match. Bob?
Let's go for a wild card under number 5, please.
Toaster oven and broiler.
Okay, let's go for the match under number 21.
No, pool table.
Ooh.
Amy?
Ooh, okay, the pool table would be fun.
A lot of stuff that would be good for students up there so far.
So let's try number 20.
Swimwear.
And I believe we saw that under number 23.
23 is where we saw it, and that means the match is yours. And you get the first look at the puzzle. Please select again.
All right, can we see the bottom corner, number 25?
Calgary, Canada.
All right, I need a wild card under number 12.
No. Red take. Bob?
I'll try to match that red take under number 17.
No, that's a green take.
I believe we saw one under number 9.
We did? No, we saw a red take under number 9. Amy?
I have no idea. Can we try and look
Invent an idea.
Number 1.
Number 1, that's a good idea. Bedroom set.
Okay, always use furniture. Let's look under number 8.
Deluxe sewing machine. Bob?
Okay, I think I remember that red take now, number 12.
Right?
And number 9 for the match.
Number 9 is a match. There you go.
I think I'll hold on to it. I think I'll hold on to it.
Not interested in the women's swimwear.
No.
Oh, you look good in it, Bob.
Well, thank you. It's not my color.
Okay.
Open it up. It's getting silly here. It's getting silly. Too silly. Open these doors. Personally, I think you would look all right in the bathing suit. But
Thank you.
just my opinion. Bob, select again.
Let's try a wild card for number 3.
Wild card, you got it.
And let's get another wild card under number 19.
19 for another wild card. No, we've got his and her backpacks. He was going for bucks. The other backpacks are on the board dead center at number 13.
I can use those?
We'll put that prize up here. You still are not interested in the swimwear, I take it?
Look lovely.
All right, let's open it up then for Bob. Passed up an opportunity to pick up Calgary, Canada a few moments ago. Maybe he'll make up for it now. Bob, pick again.
Number 11, please.
1-1 is a wild card.
Number 10.
10. Green take.
Green take.
The other green take on the board at number 17. You've got them both.
I'll save them. I'll
All right.
save them.
You're hoping she gets better prizes or prizes that are more to your liking. 3 panels opening up for Bob Cronley. Go again.
Number 16, please.
Calgary,
at
Canada.
number 25.
Yes, that is right.
Yeah!
I couldn't figure out why you didn't use the wild card to pick up the Calgary Holiday. You knew where
Well, I'm
it was.
a Kings fan myself.
Oh, so you don't want to see the Flames. All right, you have both takes there. We'll save them for later. The 2 panels will open up for Bob right now, and we'll ask him if he can solve this puzzle. Pick again.
Number 1, please.
Bedroom set?
And let's try for a match under number 8.
No, that's the deluxe sewing machine. Amy,
Okay, I don't think we saw the bottom corner, number 21.
pool table.
Oh, maybe we had.
We have seen that, yes.
All right, let's look for a match for that under number 6.
Espresso and cappuccino machine. No match there, and we still have 1 wild card on the board.
I'll try for the pool table under number 4, please.
No gold bracelet.
Let's try number 14.
No bedroom set. Amy,
I believe the bedroom set was under number 1.
right?
And number 14 for
There's
the
a
match.
match. There's a match for our young lady. And to look at the puzzle with an opportunity to solve it as well.
Is it Tear on My Pillow?
Is a tear on my pillow? No, it is not. Amy, select
Okay.
again.
I'd like to see what's under number 4.
Gold bracelet?
And was that under number 8?
No, that's the sewing machine. We keep going back to that one. Bob,
Number 5, please.
toaster oven and broiler.
And number 15.
Deluxe sewing machine. No match there. Amy,
I believe the sewing machine was under number 8
right?
and number 15.
There's a match.
Get it off the board.
Get it off the board. Do you sew?
A little bit, actually. Yeah.
All right, they're fun to use.
Yeah.
Open it
I'll
up.
improve. Is it Tear on My Pillows?
Is a tear on my pillows? No, it is not. Select again.
All right. I'd like to see what's under number 22.
Espresso and cappuccino machine.
That was under number 6.
Espresso and cappuccino machine. Right. 2 more doors opening for Amy. Pick again. There's still 1 wild card working for you somewhere on the board, Amy, if you can find it.
I don't believe we've seen what's under number 24.
Toaster oven and broiler.
Was that at number 5?
Toaster oven and broiler. You may not need that wild card. You may make natural matches from here on.
No.
Open these doors for Amy.
Is it Tear on My Pillow?
Is it tear on my pillow? No. I believe you offered that as a solution earlier. Now, 1 match will do it.
All right. I'd like to see what's up behind number 2.
Gold bracelet.
And was that under number 4?
Gold bracelet is there, so the board will be cleared by you. We'll open these 2 doors, and then we will show you 7, 18, and 21. The pool table and the wild card. Now, when we open these panels, Amy, solve the puzzle for a big payoff.
Is it Tears on My Pillow?
Is it tears on my pillow? Yes, obviously Amy is not a big country music fan. The song was Tears on My Pillow, not Tear on My Pillow, Tear on My Pillows.
I don't quite very many. I'm
That's
sorry.
all right. That's okay. Now you get to explain it and enjoy a big win.
Well, let me try this. All right, first we have here the T plus the ears. For tears, the on light bulb on, the M plus the I in the needle, my, the pill plus the low pillow. Tears on my pillow.
Well done. You were on to it very early. It's just that you weren't able to come up with tears, but that's okay. Bob, 1 strike against you only. We'll see you in game number 2 in a little bit. Amy, a lot of prizes coming your way. This is a big win. Gene, tell her.
A toaster oven broiler, an espresso cappuccino machine, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select an espresso cappuccino machine or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a deluxe sewing machine. The Singer Stylist 9110 sewing machine, 10 popular stitches, built-in button holders, sewing light, free arm, handle and more, furnished by Singer, and a pool table. The Old House in Monarch features contemporary styling from hand-selected oak solids and veneers. The carefully engineered frame and rails, along with the diamond-honed Italian slate, will help provide professional play and years of family fun. And the gold bracelet, today's fashion elegance, a triple-strand braided bracelet, a highly polished finish of Italian 14-karat gold from the Michael C. Fina Company. And the bedroom set, Ashley's top-flight bedroom group, high-gloss, ebony finish, high-pressure laminate tops, solid wood, center glide construction and moldings, decorative brass accenting, furnished by Ashley. And, of course, the lovely swimwear. And, Amy, you won't shed any tears when you hear this one. A prize package worth $5,219.
As I said, a big win for you, and you've earned another shot at the cars. When we come back...
Brilliant.
Amy was looking over there at her total saying, have I won all of that? Well, yes, you have, and now you have a chance to win a brand new car. Do you have a car? It's a clunker.
Barely.
It's a clunker, huh?
Yeah.
Car is older than you?
Almost.
All right, well, let's win one. Here's 15 numbered squares for you and 40 seconds on the clock, Amy. Good luck. Go to work.
Okay, 1, 2.
Nope.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
10, 7.
No.
10, 5.
No.
13, 14.
No.
14, 5.
No.
5, 13.
Right.
3, 6.
No.
9, 12.
No.
1, 12.
Yep.
15, 9.
No.
15, 6.
Yes.
3, 8.
No.
11, 3.
Yep.
14, 2.
If you had called, you missed it early on. If you had called 8 and 10, that was the Festiva, and that match seemed to throw you off when you didn't make it. You went back a couple of times, but not at the right spot. However, you've got $6,852 and another game coming up after this. I don't know what it's all about, but this next prize sure starts out looking pretty.
Ashley's country-style dinette collection, made of all wood construction and designed in a distinctive two-tone finish to add charm to any decor. Furnished by Ashley. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. We'll show our players where they can find the prize on the board. It's hiding behind number 3, the dinette collection. One strike, as you can see, against Bob, ladies and gentlemen, but this is a big game. We've got the bonus seconds, we have the cash pot at $500, and we have a holiday in Rio de Janeiro.
That's beautiful.
And Bob, you go first.
I'll try for a wild card under number 11, please.
Number 11, cash pot.
Ooh, let's match that with a wild card under number 19.
Exercise bikes for 2. Amy.
Still need a trip. Let's try number 18.
5 bonus
That would
car
help
seconds.
me. Can we try number 7, please?
No silver tableware. Bob.
Okay, let's try number 21, please.
Green tape.
And a wild card under number 4.
No, the bonus seconds. Amy.
Oh, did we see that on number 18? No, we didn't.
Yes.
Yes, we did. Whoa. Number 4 for the match.
4. That's good.
All right.
Early match with a young lady. Let's open it up. Pick again.
Okay, let's fish around at number 1.
Red take.
We didn't see that. And a match for that or a wild card under number 2.
Silver tableware. Bob.
Okay, let's try number 13 in the middle.
Red take.
And number 1.
Red take.
I'll take the car seconds.
Right away. Right away. Waste no time. Give him the car seconds and show
You
him
won't need
these 2 pieces.
Won't need them.
Boy, is she tough.
You're right, I'll get it quicker.
She's 5'0". 5'0" and tough as nails. Open these 2 panels. Pick again.
Number 20.
Exercise bikes for
And
2.
was that at number 19?
Was it? Yes, it was. Nicely done, Bob. He may need them after all, Amy. 2 panels
count on
opening
it.
up. Pick again.
Number 14.
Dinette collection.
And number 15.
No. Holiday in Rio. Well, we know where part of the vacation is. Amy.
All right, I'd like to see what's under number 23.
Wild card.
He used the tag. All right. Number 15, please.
Number 15. Rio de Janeiro. The other holiday in Rio at 24. 3 panels are going to open for Amy, who has the possibility of enjoying a great holiday in South America. Pick again.
I'd like to clear that side at number 17.
27-inch color TV.
That could be nice. Let's look at number 11.
Cash pot. Bob.
Number 22.
Wild card.
I'll take that cash pot at number 11.
Cash pot for $500. The other one, right below it at 16. 3 panels opening. There is still a wild card up there, Bob.
Number 21.
21. Green take.
Number 3.
No, the dinette collection. Amy.
Did we have the dinette collection at number 14?
Yes.
And number 3.
That's a match. Rio and the dinette collection. What a combination.
Hey.
Open it up. Hey, yes.
All right, I still need some help. Let's look under number 12.
Electronic keyboard.
Oh, we haven't seen what's under number 7 yet. Yes, we have.
Silver tableware. Bob.
Try number 10.
27-inch color TV.
And number 9.
Oh, no. Diamond topaz pendant. Amy.
I'd like to see what's behind number 8.
Wild card.
Oh, all right, now, I think we're going to go for the TV at number 10.
TV at number 10. We saw that a moment ago. At this number, 17. Open it up. Pick again.
No clue. Let's look behind number 7.
Silver tableware.
And is that at number 2?
Silver tableware. Yes, it is. Just 3 more matches to be made, and Bob thinks he can solve the puzzle, but he may not get a chance. Amy, can you do it?
Is it which way is up?
Which way is up? Yes, you did it again. Boy, doesn't matter how big they are, you just knock them down, Amy. Go for it.
Okay, first we had the which, and clue confused me. The woman is weighing herself, so it's which way, the hiss for is, and the up. Which way is up?
Which way is up? Up is that way. And unfortunately for Bob, a second strike, and that means goodbye. We've got some gifts for you backstage.
Good luck, Amy.
Bye, Bob.
I wish it could be more, Bob. Take care. So long. All right, Amy. Let's hear about these prizes. You're good. Never mind.
Silver tableware, a collection of Empire Silver, sterling silver tableware for those occasions when only the elegance of sterling silver will do. Furnished by Empire Silver Company, and a 27-inch color TV. Samsung's 27-inch MTS stereo color television with clean high-tech styling, and a deluxe 36-key remote control furnished by Samsung. And Rio de Janeiro. Brazil, the emerald capital of the world, is yours as you and your guests fly from Los Angeles to Rio de Janeiro via Varig Airlines, enjoying the comfort, service, and in-flight hospitality furnished by Varig Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the exciting Hotel Intercontinental Rio, located on South Honrado Beach. Enjoy the sun, fun, and quality of this full-service resort hotel. And, of course, the lovely dinette collection. Prizes worth $7,932.
We got another chance to win a car when we come back.
Barbecue Grill. If you guessed number 4, you're right. You've won another episode of Classic Concentration. Coming up next on Buzzer.
Don't mind me, folks. I'm the NBC house masseur. Amy was saying she's a little tense. She thinks this is her Waterloo, this part of the show, but I don't agree. I think she can win a car. 15 numbered squares, Amy. 45 seconds for you on the clock. Good luck. Go for it.
Okay, 1, 2.
No.
3, 6.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
5, 7.
Right.
8, 3.
No.
8, 2.
No.
10, 11.
No.
11, 4.
No.
1, 12.
Yes.
13, 14.
No.
3, 14.
No.
15, 6.
No.
15, 9.
No.
Oh. 8, 15.
Yep.
10, 6.
No.
10, 3.
Yep.
13, 9.
No. be your Waterloo, but you don't do all that bad when you're playing this round. And you've got $14,784 in prizes, so you do very well in that part of the show. So congratulations. You're going to Rio.
I know, yes.
Oh, boy, is that exciting? We'll take a break. Gene, tell us about another prize, please.
Some of today's participants may receive Klondike frozen desserts, taste you can sink your teeth into, creamy ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, and calorie-conscious light bars, plus a Klondike bear furnished by Klondike. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
You don't do badly in the winner's circle, but I feel that if you get back here, you're going to win a brand new car. She's won a bundle so far. She's got a holiday in Rio de Janeiro to enjoy, and that's obviously an exciting thing for her to consider. And we're all going to be back tomorrow right here on Classic Concentration. Hope you can join us then. So long, everyone. Thank you for being with us today.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.